It's just on my plate trying to eat my food.
Would you like some refreshments?
Oh, I'm fine. Thank
Enjoy the show.
Now she's acting like she wasn't on there. Fatty, wake up, you look old. Where's Yaddle? Yodelina? Hi, baby girl. Tommy? Fatty? Not gonna do it now? Huh? You're up there eating my food. Is that right, Tom?
There's a few street match places of interest. This is for you.
Jolina?
What year was that?
1949.
Oh, very good year.
I'm here to help you in any way I can.
Well, it's very nice of you.
80 to 90 change out going on. Adding a humidifier. Going to be a one pipe system, hopefully right out that end of the house somewhere. Not sure where, but we'll figure it out. Water heater, we'll probably just get rid of this T. And move the transition to this piece. And humidifier will go right here. And pipe back maybe a little bit back this way, just so we're not so close to the furnace. Piece of cake. Except for all this crap in the furnace room. Let me see. Get some more tarps in here. Yeah, this freezer is making my life miserable right now. We might have to get that out of there. It's just too much crap in our way. Here's the outdoor part of that. Out and let's see. Gotta figure out where to get my one pipe out here. Hopefully right in the front corner here will be a spot for that. That's what I'm going to shoot for. So I'm going to go downstairs and look what that corner looks like. Probably 2 feet to the right in the basement from where the electrical comes in. So I'm going to go take a peek at that. Over here it seems kind of tight, although we could go between the sprinkler and the gas line as well. That don't look like a bad spot if that works out. My connections in this disconnect here, that wire nut, I got a couple spins on already. Yeah, it's not good when XL Energy puts these wire nuts in here. They quit doing it this way. I assume because they ended up with some arcing and getting blamed for problems, you know, over time. So they now go right to the AC from here and plug onto the bottom of the contactor. So I'm going to check all these connections in here and put it back together and go check on the inside there. Disrupted somebody's home here this morning. I don't know what's going on with this guy, but he's out and about on a rainy morning. You alright, bud? Huh? What happened? Were you living in that air conditioner? I'm sorry. You sure don't look like you've been outside too long. You better go find somewhere to set up shop now. Alright? One now. One. Alright, our sprinkler's right there. And the gas line's right above this duct. So I'm going to try and go out with my one pipe vent right there next to this and run it straight down in between these guys. And that should work out real good. Corey's got the vent hooked back up for the water heater. Fire that up. He's getting this boot off of here. And then we'll get the furnace in here once this is out and start putting it back together. Oh, we tore out that huge pad that came out to the landscape edging here. Put in this nice right size pad, extended the lines. Got the nitrogen hooked up, ready to flow, and I'm going to solder this little extension in here on the suction and the liquid. And then we'll go see what Corey's doing, get that soldered together inside and flush these lines that we're reusing. We're all vacuumed up out here, charge is cut loose, wired. Just got to go check my breaker. 25 max, so it's 14 minimum, so 15 to 20 is what we're looking for in the panel. Probably a 30, probably need to change it. There's my one pipe PVC. Just gotta hack that off, so it's about 10 inches out of the house. Okay, so we ran our outdoor sensor right out next to the meter over there, and that runs on, ties into the panel here. Humidifier, he's just finishing up the drain. We changed our cooling blower speed from 1400 to 1000 for our 2-ton air. I'm just finishing up the venting here. Got my one pipe that we saw earlier out there. It's coming down here. I'm going to offset under that and go drop straight into the inducer there, and then we're going to have our intake suck from here because we got our 4-inch fresh air back there. We got our water hammer for the humidifier control.
I gotta go back there and fix that.
Air cleaner just went right back on. We gotta find a place for our literature rack. I don't know, maybe right here.
I was thinking over there.
Right here?
No, on the other side.
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think?
Looks good. Just lit the water heater. You don't want to run home without lighting that. You have to come back at 8 in the morning because nobody wants a cold shower. All buttoned up. Looking good. Just gotta swoop this thing back in there. Well, I gotta hack off my exhaust and caulker on that. Done deal. It's a wrap. Got everything done. So we need caulk on that hole right there. Beautiful.